I'm Michael and I live with my girlfriend Gemma in Llandudno. We've been together for nearly 15 years. About 10 years ago we tried to start a family but found out we weren't able to have children of our own. Soon after that we started thinking about the other options. We talked about the options we had and thought about what would be best for us. We researched everything about adoption and fostering, and after weighing up our options we decided that fostering was the right thing for us. We chose to foster through the Conwy Local Authority Fostering Team. Community is such a big thing in Conwy, so it was important to us that we'd continue to support our community and help families who live around us. Our Local Authority Fostering Team have been with us every step of the way. They've given us so much encouragement, support and training. About 3 years ago now we started caring for sisters Anna and Cerys, who were 5 and 7 at the time. Their mum was going through a really tough time. The girls didn't experience any violence, nothing like that, but they just weren't getting the care and attention they needed. Straight away, it was so easy to see how important it was for Anna and Cerys to be together. There was just this great bond between them. We also helped them to spend time with their mum, and we've ensured that she is welcomed in all of our lives. Anna still has her moments, and school can be a tricky place for her to settle. We have to remember what her life was like before and how much progress she's made, and keep encouraging her. It's amazing how a few kind words goes a long way, you know? The biggest thing we've given these children is a sense of belonging. We've given them consistent love and care that they haven't had before. With all of them, you can see that we're helping them to get on better and hopefully see that they can have a bright future.